Hey everybody, this is your boy Abel from technave.com. Today we're here to have first impression and hands-on on the Huawei Nova 4e. Let's go! Starting off with the design, the Nova 4e has three colors: midnight black, pearl white, and peacock blue, which looks dazzling. The display is 6.15 inch in Full HD, and the teardrop notch contains a 32 megapixel front camera. On the back, there's also a fingerprint sensor and a triple camera setup with a 24 megapixel, a 2 megapixel, and an 8 megapixel sensor with an ultra wide angle lens that goes up to 120 degrees. Besides that, it also sports a Kirin 710 chipset, GPU Turbo 2.0, a 3340 mAh battery, 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of ROM. The Huawei Nova 4e will be released in Malaysia on March 16, 2019 for 1,199 ringgit only. So that's all about the first look of the Huawei Nova 4e. To know more, you can go to our website www.technave.com to check it out. Peace out.